back to day 15 of our 28 days to splits challenge. Let's get started on the mat in the butterfly pose. Soles of your feet together, grab your feet and little pulses with your knees. Okay, grab your weights and place them over your knees just to help yourself. Holy moly. Here's your daily affirmation. I am creating my own love. 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 Okay, awesome. Take off the weights, grab the band quickly. And today I'm using only one band. And when you're ready, open the legs, open and move yourself forward and breathe. Okay, now let's stretch to each side and the other side. Awesome. And stretch. And stretch. Oh. Stretch a little bit forward. And up, nicely done. And now we're actually our first attempt into the splits. Grab both of your pillows. I'm gonna place them underneath ourselves, and from here we're gonna go into the splits as low as we can, of course, and we're gonna use the pillows underneath our bum. Okay, awesome. Hold here and breathe. If you need more pillows, that's fine. If you need your arms to support yourself and to push yourself a little bit up, that's also okay. Stay here and breathe. It's day 15. We have just today and 13 more days to go. We have to do the splits. We have to keep working on that splits. Okay, now let's switch legs. That was enough for today, for this leg. Holy moly. Okay, remember, one leg is always harder. For me, this is my left leg. So I'm really struggling with my left leg, but I'm gonna do my best. Okay, breathe and hold. Try to keep your hips square forward, not to rotate. Oh, it's a little bit tempting. Almost there, almost there. Okay, and rest. You can rest now. Awesome job, my friends. Thank you so much for joining me in this awesome challenge. Day 14 is in the books. Day 15, actually, day 15. Here's your self-love daily assignment. Have a game night with friends and enjoy. Thank you. Don't forget to leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, tell all of your friends for this awesome challenge, and I'm gonna see you next time.